New Zealand Cricket Board announced the name of 15 players for World Cup 2019. Can Williamson lead the team of New Zealand in World Cup 2019? Let's see who's participate in 15 players. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest cricket update. Let's start 15 players name for World Cup 2019 New Zealand players. Number 1, Ken Williamson. Number 2, Ross Taylor. Number 3, Martin Guptill. Number 4, Henry Nicholas. Number 5, Cam Blurnell. Number 6, Cam Latham. Number 7, James Nisham. Number 8, Colin D. Grandin. Number 9, Trent Bolt. Number 10, Mitchell Santner. Number 11, Luke Ferguson. Number 12, Cam Southey. Number 13, Ash Sodhi. Number 14, Matt Henry. And last number of 15, Colin Munro. This 15 player can participate in World Cup 2019, and comment please this team you whole luck to in World Cup 2019, and this team is very great team. If video great you like it.